Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 15 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 15 Pro. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Spigen Enzo Aramid case for the 15 Pro. I have never reviewed this case before for any other devices. I don't even think they make this case for the Android devices. I think they just make it for Apple devices. So we'll check it out. We'll see how we like it. We'll see how it feels in the hands. We'll make sure everything lines up. Does it fit well? You know, do you get camera protection? Do you get lip action? Does it add bulk? How strong is that magnet for MagFit? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. You can pick up this case from Amazon if you want to. I'll have the links in the description. But if you've been watching my videos, you know how a Spigen case package looks like. Nothing new there. Again, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But let's see how this case is. Oh, it's a hard plastic with that Aramid fiber there. And then it also has a bunch of logos in there. This material in here is soft. Actually feels nice. It says Aerocore. We'll see how it fits. Let's get it in the phone. Or the phone in the case. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You also do get some lip action all the way around. You also, everything lines up. I like how that black and blue looks. Man, looks nice. The power button is nice and tactile, easy to press. The volume rockers are the same, nice and easy to press. The action button works. Oh, so I can silence the phone. I forgot I changed that. I thought I had it still on the app, but I forgot I changed it to that, which is pretty cool. So the buttons are really great. They feel nice and tactile, easy to press. The case does not add bulk to your phone. It's nice and thin. It's a thin fitting case on there, which is very important to some people because they don't like rocking cases. But if you want the protection, you can rock this case without having, you know, having a heavy duty case on your phone. And it doesn't feel like it's slippery at all. Doesn't add bulk. We'll test out the magnet really quickly too. Overall fit, not bad. Not bad. I mean, a little loose when you get to the buttons here, but overall, it's not a bad fitting case. Man, what y'all think about it? Maybe I should be using these cases more from, you know, from Spigen. And again, the magnet with Spigen this year has made a major improvement. Look, I took the wire out before the magnet broke, or before the magnet even came away from the phone. So the magnet is strong. You can wireless charge, as you can tell up there. Man, okay, so this case is really nice. I really like the feel of it. I like how it has the accents in there. The silver accents are really nice. The overall fit is great. You get camera protection, lip action. The magnet is super strong on there. Okay, so Spigen next year, when the 15 Pro comes out, I will be picking up this case again. But if you like this case, if you want to pick it up, look in the description. You can definitely get it from Amazon. They have many different cases from Spigen on there too. So if you don't like this one, you might have a different choice out there too. But definitely, this one might be a go-to case, the one that you can rock out pretty much a lot because everything's great about it. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.